Hey there, and welcome to our all new video series titled Hiking Tips for Seniors. I'm so excited to share with you all the amazing tips and tricks that you will learn to help you enjoy the great outdoors and stay active. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So grab a cup of coffee and sit back and enjoy as you learn. We will be posting informative videos like how to pick the right trail, selecting proper footwear, selecting a backpack and how to wear it properly, selecting hiking poles and how to properly use them for all trail conditions, and more, such as trail wildlife safety, identifying trail risks, when to deviate from the trail, and much, much more. So please stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. So with that, you don't want to miss a single episode in this informative series. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. You'll be notified when we post a new video. And remember, age is just a number. You're never too old to explore the great outdoors and stay active. Here are the first two videos in the series. Watch for their release.